Hello, welcome to Swipe. Today we will see how you can connect SwipeMCP to ChatGPT and get detailed insights about your business in seconds. To get started, go to Settings, then More. Scroll down until you find SwipeMCP integration. Here, open SwipeMCP option. Switch to ChatGPT and select the Try It Now on ChatGPT button. You will be redirected to add an app in ChatGPT. Before creating the app, go to Advanced Settings and make sure Developer Mode is enabled. Now go back and click on Create App. Give your app a name and paste the server link into the connection field. To get this link, go to Swipe Dashboard and simply copy this link. Once done, go back to ChatGPT dashboard and paste this link in connection field. Check the box that says I understand and want to continue. Then click on Create. Click on Sign in with SwipeMCP and sign into your Swipe account using your mobile number and enter the OTP. Once the setup is complete, you'll see the notification SwipeMCP is now connected. Now, open a new chat to explore your business insights. Click the plus button, go to More, and select the SwipeMCP tool. Let's ask, make a graph in detail of my revenue in the past 1 month using the Swipe tool. ChatGPT will generate a detailed analysis of your revenue, and you can continue asking questions to gain deeper insights into your business. Whether you want to understand revenue trends, customer behavior, or overall business performance, SwipeMCP gives you the answers in seconds. That's it for today. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next video.